If you want to scan a document on a Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, we can go to the camera. Now over here in the photo mode, you should be able to point at the document that you want to scan. And as you can see, we can find the highlight of the document. So once the document is highlighted, you should be able to tap on the scan button, and then the camera should, in a smart way, cut all the parts that are not really necessary, and we have our scan. Of course, we have some additional options that you can go through. You can also see the original, and if you want to add another page or something, you can press add scan. You can also tap on these three dots in the upper right corner to find save as PDF, and also we can just save the scan if that's what you need. And in case document scanning does not work, you can tap on these four dots on the right side and go to settings. Then over here we have scanning, and make sure that document scan is enabled in here. You can also increase the scan resolution. Leave a like and subscribe.